If you're wondering how you can charge the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can charge your tablet. Now the only way you can charge your tablet is through the USB Type-C port at the bottom of your tablet. Just make sure you use Samsung's original 15-watt charger with your tablet. If you use a third-party charger or a charger which is not supported by Samsung, this will harm your tablet. So make sure you use the 15-watt original charger with your tablet to get the maximum charging speed. And speaking about the charging speed, make sure you enable fast charging from the settings app. Now to do that, just go to settings. And under settings, just scroll down and tap on battery. Now under the battery settings, just scroll down and tap on charging settings. And from here, just enable fast charging. And after you do that, you will get the maximum charging speed out of the charger of your tablet. And this is how you can charge the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.